Because of you.
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 Because of your support.
Because of you.
Because of you.
Because of you.
Because of you, I was able to help organize 4 different conservation collaboration agreements with local schools, connecting 150 young people with nature.
I'm helping protect 154 acres of critical open space lands on Mount Diablo's North Peak.
I was able to transfer the funds necessary to purchase Smith Canyon, which could become a new east side entrance to Mount Diablo State Park in the future.
I was able to mail our Diablo Range publication to key agency decision makers and elected officials.
We're able to shine on with our mission of protecting Mount Diablo and the natural lands associated with it. We're so grateful for you because you help us protect nature, the ultimate foundation for our long-term health and well-being.
I'm able to share what we are doing to protect essential habitat for wildlife like the rare American badger.
I'm able to tell the story of our work to protect oak woodlands on Mount Diablo's North Peak and the wildlife corridor connecting Mount Diablo to the rest of the Diablo Range. And I'm able to inspire people to connect to and enjoy nature.
Because of you, I was able to help rally voters in Antioch and measure T1 by a landslide.
I was able to organize 24 Discover Diablo hikes this year.
I'm able to lead our team to raise the funds needed to preserve 154 acres on North Peak and connect Mount Diablo with the rest of the Diablo Range.
Behind me is San Benito Peak, the highest peak in the 150-mile-long Diablo Range. Because of you, Save Mount Diablo is working to educate the public and decision makers about the importance of the Diablo Range.
So thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Thank you so much.
for supporting Save Mount Diablo.